Hello everyone, welcome to Dina's Domain. Thank you so much for stopping by today. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Make sure you click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. The materials I'm using here are all from Dollar Tree with the exception of the adhesive. Let's begin with the board from this wood puzzle, using it as a strong foundation for the planter. Save the puzzle pieces for another project. I'm very pleased that this board fits the bevel mirrors almost perfectly, but keep in mind all of the mirrors are not exactly the same size, so you will have to find mirrors that are close in size as possible. It is not necessary to remove the feet from the mirrors in this project. I will use E6000 and hot glue to adhere the first mirror to the wood. I will do the same to the remaining 3 mirrors, followed with hot glue to the inner seams of the mirrored planter. For added stability, apply a generous amount of hot glue where needed. This is what we have thus far, and I like how it's turning out. I love these inspirational glass plaques with the beveled mirrored framed edges. The backing and stand on most of them came off pretty easy. This first one just didn't come off all at once, but once you get the entire back covering off, use something sharp to get as much of the remaining cardboard off in order to smoothly adhere the plaque to the planter mirror. I'm using only hot glue to adhere the plaques to the mirrors on the planter, but you may use a stronger adhesive. I will continue gluing a plaque on each mirror. Each plaque has a beautiful design with an inspirational statement. This one says, "Bless our home with love and laughter." I have two of the same, and I will place them on opposite sides of each other on the planter. The third one states, "Friends and family make a house a home." And the fourth one states, "Family is where life begins and love never ends." Each plaque were already embellished with a few gemstones. I just think they are so beautiful. I'm creating a floral arrangement with daisies and tiny eucalyptus purchased from Walmart for 97 cents each. But I jumped ahead of myself because, as you will see, I had to remove the flowers and add 4 felt pads at the bottom of the planter. This is my completed look. I hope you like this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. If you'd like to see more of my creative ideas, join me and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching. God bless and enjoy the first spring weekend.